In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change form settings in Hubspot CRM. Whether you're fine-tuning your form fields, updating submission notifications, or integrating with other tools, knowing how to adjust these settings can make a big difference in how you capture and manage leads. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge you need to customize your forms to suit your specific needs. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Now, if you don't already have a HubSpot account, you'll need to create one before moving forward. You can follow the link in the description to sign up and get started. After logging in, take a look at the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see a small settings icon. It looks like a gear. Click on that to open the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the tools and options to manage your HubSpot setup. Now that you're in the settings menu, look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Marketing. Click it to expand the options. Under the Marketing section, you'll notice several subcategories. What you're looking for here is Forms. Go ahead and select that. This will bring you to the Forms page, where you can see a list of all the forms you've created in HubSpot. If you've been using HubSpot for a while and have multiple forms, don't worry. You can sort or search for a specific form using the tools provided at the top of the list. Take a moment to locate the form you want to modify, and once you've found it, click on it to open its settings. Now that you've selected your form, it's time to make the changes you need. In the form settings, you'll find several options to customize. For example, you can adjust the form fields to include, remove, or reorder the information you want to collect from users. This is particularly useful if your business needs have changed and you want to capture more targeted data. You can also update submission notifications. This allows you to specify who gets notified whenever someone fills out the form. It's a great way to keep your team in the loop and ensure timely follow-ups. Additionally, you'll have the option to integrate your form with other tools like your CRM or email marketing platforms. This can help streamline your workflows and improve efficiency. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking this ensures your updates take effect immediately, so your form is ready to go with the new settings. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to change form settings in HubSpot CRM, whether it's updating fields, tweaking notifications, or connecting to other tools. You're all set to manage your forms like a pro. If you have any questions or tips about HubSpot forms, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.